Hello, I am Dr. Sigar Kanti. In this video, let us expand some more functions using Taylor series. One example, expand f of x comma y equal to xy square plus cos of xy about 1 comma pi by 2 up to second order terms, second order derivatives. So here a equal to 1, b equal to pi by 2. Up to second order derivatives means up to second order powers means we have to find out up to second order derivatives. Let me find one by one. So here we have f of x comma y is equal to xy square plus cos xy. Okay, then f of 1 comma pi by 2 is equal to, put x equal to 1, y equal to pi by 2. So here this is 1 pi by 2 square, that is here pi square by 4 plus cos of x equal to 1, y equal to pi by 2. This is pi by 2. We know that cos pi by 2 equal to 0. Therefore, this is equal to pi square by 4. Okay. This is our f of a comma b. Next, we find the derivatives. fx of x comma y is equal to differentiating f with respect to x. So here I am differentiating with respect to x. Y square is a constant quantity. Derivative of x is 1. So this is our y square plus cos derivative is minus sin of xy into xy derivative. I am differentiating with respect to x. Y is a constant quantity. X derivative is 1. So y is a constant quantity. X derivative is 1. So therefore here fx 1 comma pi by 2, fx a comma b, put x equal to 1, y equal to pi by 2. So here y square, this becomes pi square by 4 minus sin of pi by 2, x equal to 1, y equal to pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is equal to 1 into y is pi by 2. So this is equal to pi square by 4 minus pi by 2. This is our fx. And fy x comma y is equal to differentiating f with respect to y partially. X is a constant quantity, y square derivative is 2y, that is 2xy, and then cos derivative is minus sin of xy into xy derivative with respect to y. X is a constant quantity, y derivative is 1. Then fy at the point 1 comma pi by 2 is equal to, put x equal to 1, y equal to pi by 2. This is equal to 1, this is pi by 2, 2 gets cancelled, pi remains here. So that is pi minus sin of 1 into pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is 1, 1 into 1, this is equal to 1. So this is equal to pi minus 1. This is our fy. And then we go for the second order derivatives. Fx square x comma y, this is equal to find fx square I have to differentiate this with respect to x. See here y square is a constant quantity, its derivative is 0 minus y minus y. Sine derivative is cos. Cos of xy into xy derivative with respect to x is y. This is equal to, see here, okay, f x square 1 comma pi by 2 is equal to, so I have to put x equal to 1, y equal to pi by 2. Whatever may be this, here I am putting x equal to 1, y equal to pi by 2. What I am getting here is cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 equal to 0. 0 into anything is 0. So that is, this is equal to 0. Fx square is 0. Then what about fxy? X comma y. So here fx is here. If I differentiating this with respect to y, if I differentiate this with respect to y, I will get fxy. So y square derivative is 2y minus, we have two terms here. We have to go for product rule. First function, I will keep minus sign outside here. First function is sin xy into y derivative is 1 plus. Second function is y, derivative sign is cos. Cos xy into derivative of xy with respect to y is x. Okay. So therefore here fxy at the point 1 comma pi by 2 is equal to 2 into pi by 2. Pi is pi by 2. 2 into pi by 2, 2 to get cancelled. This is pi minus sine of 1 into pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 is 1 plus y is pi by 2 into here this term is cos. Cos xy is equal to 0 because x equal to 1, y equal to pi by 2, I am getting cos pi by 2. This is equal to 0. So second term is equal to 0. So this is equal to pi minus 1. Okay, pi minus 1. Then what about fy square? X comma y. This is equal to fy is here. Okay, this is my fy. I have to differentiate this partially with respect to y again. With respect to y, 2x is a constant quantity, y derivative is 1. So this is our 2x minus x is a constant quantity, sine derivative is cos. Cos of xy into differentiation of xy with respect to y is x. Okay, x is a constant quantity. Now fy square at the point 1 comma pi by 2, this is equal to, put x equal to 1, y equal to pi by 2. This becomes 2 into 1 is 2. And here if you put x equal to 1, y equal to pi by 2, I am getting cos pi by 2. This becomes 0. 0 into anything is 0. So that is minus 0. This is equal to 2. Okay. These are the values. Now we write the function f of x comma y is equal to f of a comma b. What is f of a comma b? This is pi square by 4. So this is pi square by 4 plus 1 by 1 factorial into x minus a, x minus 1 into fx. What is fx here? Fx is this. Pi square by 4 minus pi by 2. Pi square by 4 minus pi by 2 plus y minus b, y minus pi by 2 into fy. What is fy value? Fy is equal to pi minus 1 into pi minus 1. Okay, plus 1 by 2 factorial into plus 1 by 2 factorial into x minus 1 square, x minus a square, that is x minus 1 square into fx square. What is fx square? It is equal to 0 into 0 plus 2 times x minus a, y minus b, 2 times x minus 1 into y minus pi by 2 into fxy. What is fxy? Fxy is equal to pi minus 1. This is our pi minus 1 plus y minus b square, that is y minus pi by 2 square into fyy, that is fy square. Fy square is equal to 2, that is into 2 plus sin 1. So this is our Taylor series expansion. Next I will go to another example. The next example expand f of x comma y equal to tan inverse of y by x about 1 comma 1 up to second degree terms. Up to second degree terms. Okay. So here a equal to 1, b also equal to 1. A equal to 1, b equal to 1, and f of x comma y equal to tan inverse of y by x. So therefore here f of a comma b, that is 1 comma 1, is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 1, this is equal to tan inverse of 1, this is equal to pi by 4. Okay, this is our f of a comma b. Then we go for the first derivatives, fx of x comma y. Tan inverse derivative is tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. This is 1 by 1 plus x square. X square means y by x whole square. Y square by x square into y by x derivative. I am differentiating with respect to x. Y is a constant quantity. Okay, constant quantity as it is. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square, and this is equal to minus, see, multiplying here, x square multiplying here, this x square gets cancelled, x square comes here. That means here numerator minus y divided by x square plus y square, minus y divided by x square plus y square. Okay, this is our fx of x comma y. Now fx at the point 1 comma 1 is equal to minus 1 by 1 square is 1 plus 1, this is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is the value of fx at the point 1 comma 1. Then we go for fy of xy is equal to, again f is here. I am differentiating this partial with respect to y. First tan inverse derivative is 1 by 1 plus y square by x square into y by x derivative. I am differentiating partially with respect to y. 1 by x is a constant quantity. 1 by x is a constant quantity. Y derivative is 1. This is equal to, here taking the LCM here, if I take the LCM here, this becomes x square plus y square, and x square go to the numerator, 1x gets cancelled. Finally we get x divided by x square plus y square. This is our x divided by x square plus y square. Okay, now at the point 1 comma 1, fy at the point 1 comma 1 is equal to, substituting x equal to 1, y equal to 1, 1 by 1 plus 1. So this is 1 by 1 plus 1. This is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Right? This is fy. Then we go for the second derivatives. That is fx square of xy is equal to find fx square, I have to differentiate fx with respect to x again. Okay, I have to differentiate this. So differentiation of this is, I am differentiating partially with respect to x, means minus y is a constant quantity. Then this is of the form 1 by x. We know that 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. That is here minus 1 by x square means x square plus y square whole square into x square plus y square derivative. X square plus y square derivative with respect to x is 2 into x. So this is equal to minus into minus is plus 2xy by 2xy divided by x square plus y square whole square. Now fx square at the point 1 comma 1 is equal to, put x equal to 1, y equal to 1. This numerator becomes 2 into 1 is 2 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. So this is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, this is our fx square. Next we go for fxy of xy. To find fxy, see, this is my fx. I have to differentiate partially with respect to y. While differentiating partially with respect to y, numerator is y is a function of y. Denominator is x square plus y square. This is also function of y. That is, both numerator and denominators are functions of y. Therefore, we have to go to the quotient rule. Numerator is minus y, denominator is x square plus y square. So this is equal to denominator square x square plus y square whole square. Denominator into x square plus y square into derivative of numerator is 1. Okay, derivative, I am taking minus y as the numerator. Derivative of minus y with respect to y is 1. The minus with minus 1. Okay, denominator into derivative of numerator. This is the derivative of minus y with respect to y. Next, minus numerator is minus y into derivative of denominator with respect to y. 2x square derivative is 0, y square derivative is 2y. Or we write this is equal to, see here, this is our x square minus y square minus into minus plus 2y square divided by x square plus y square whole square. This is equal to x square plus y square divided by x square plus y square square. This is equal to 1 by x square plus y square. Am I right? Yes, I think. And this is minus. Minus x square minus y square. Okay, I'm sorry. Minus x square minus x square minus minus y square plus 2y square minus x square plus y square. Okay. This is our fxy x comma y minus x square plus y square. Okay, this is minus x square minus y square plus 2y square. That is minus x square plus 1y square. Okay. So this is fxy. Now at that point, fxy at the point 1 comma 1 is equal to, see, if I put x equal to 1, y equal to 1, numerator becoming 0. Okay, 0. So that is, this is equal to 0. fxy is equal to 0. Then we have to find out fy square. I'll go to next page. Fy square. So here we have Fy equal to x by x square plus y square. Okay, Fy equal to Fy equal to x by x square plus y square. Therefore, Fy again differentiating with respect to y. See, x is a constant quantity. 1 by x square plus y square derivative is minus 1 by x square plus y square square into x square plus y square derivative with respect to y is 2y. This is our fy square. Therefore, fy square at the point 1 comma 1. Put x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Numerator is minus 2 into 1 into 1. Denominator is 1 plus 1, 2 square. 2 square is 4. This is equal to minus 1 by 2. So, this is our fy square. So, therefore, using Taylor series, f of x comma y equal to f of 1 comma 1. What is f of 1 comma 1? F of 1 comma 1 is pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus 1 by 1 factorial. This is not necessary here. Writing 1 by 1 factorial. X minus a, that is x minus 1 into fx. What is fx? Fx is minus 1 by 2 plus fx is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus y minus b, y minus 1 into y minus 1 into what is fy? Fy equal to plus 1 by 2. Fy equal to plus into plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 factorial into x minus 1 whole square into fx square. Fx square. Fx square is equal to 1 by 2. Fx square is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 plus 2 into x minus a into y minus b into fxy. What is fxy? My fxy is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 plus y minus 1 whole square into fy is here. Fy square is 0 minus 1 by 2. This into minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Okay, plus sign so on. So, this is our Taylor series expansion. Okay. Next, I will go to another example. One more example. Expand e power of xy about 1 comma 1 up to second degree terms. Up to second degree terms. So here here a equal to 1, b equal to 1, f of x comma y is equal to e power of xy. Okay, e power of xy is given. Then f of 1 comma 1 equal to e power of 1. This is equal to e itself. Okay, e power of 1 into 1, e power of 1 is e. Next, fx differentiating partially with respect to x. First, e power of xy derivative is e power of xy into xy derivative with respect to x is y. Okay, y is a constant, x derivative is 1. And here fx at the point 1 comma 1 equal to, put x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Again I am getting this is equal to e power of 1 into 1 is e. Then we find fy x comma y is equal to, f is e raised to xy. Fy differentiating partially with respect to y, e raised to xy derivative is e raised to xy into xy derivative with respect to y is x. Therefore fy at the point 1 comma 1 is, again this is e, because x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Then you go for the second order derivatives. Fx square x comma y. Fx is here. I am differentiating partially with respect to x. So y is a constant quantity. E power of xy derivative is e power of xy into xy derivative with respect to x is y. This becomes y square. Okay. Then fx square at the point 1 comma 1 is equal to, again put x equal to 1, y equal to 1, again this is equal to e. Next, fxy. So I have to differentiate fx with respect to y. This with respect to y. Here we have to use the product rule. First function e power of xy into derivative of second is 1. Plus second function is y. E power of xy derivative is e power of xy into xy derivative with respect to y is x. Okay, x is a constant, y derivative is 1. Therefore, fxy at the point 1 comma 1 is equal to e power of 1 into 1, e power of 1 is e power of 1 e plus, this is also equal to e, this is equal to 2 times e. Put x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Next, finally we go for fy square. To find fy square, I have to differentiate fy with respect to y. Fy is here. I have to differentiate this with respect to y. With respect to y, x is a constant quantity. And e raised to xy derivative is e raised to xy into xy derivative with respect to y is x. This is equal to x square into e power of xy. Okay. Now, fy square at the point 1 comma 1 is equal to, put x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Then this becomes 1 e power of 1. This is equal to e itself. Okay. So these are the values of partial derivatives at the point 1 comma 1. Then by Taylor series we write f of x comma y equal to f of 1 comma 1. F of 1 comma 1 equal to e plus x minus 1 into fx. Fx is e plus y minus 1 into fy. Fy is e plus 1 by 2 factorial into x minus 1 square into fx square is e plus 2 into x minus 1 into y minus 1 into fxy. Fxy is equal to 2e. This is a 2 into e plus y minus 1 square into fy square. Fy square is equal to e. Okay, plus sign so on. Each term consisting of e, we can take e common factor. Okay, so this is equal to, if I write e outside here, we get 1 plus here x minus 1 plus y minus 1. In this bracket we have x minus 1 plus y minus 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial into here x minus 1 whole square plus 2 into x minus 1 y minus 1 into 2. This becomes 4 here, e outside, and here y minus 1 square. So this is x minus 1 square plus 2 into 2, 4 into x minus 1 into y minus 1 plus y minus 1 square. Y minus 1 square bracket close plus sign so on. So this is the expansion of the function using Taylor series. Okay, thank you. I'll stop here.